friends, in today's question, two sources of sound S1 and S2 produce sound waves of same frequency 660 Hz. A listener is moving from source S1 towards source S2 with a constant speed u meter per second, and he hears 10 beats per second. The velocity of the sound is 330 meter per second, then the u is equal to. So in this case, we can draw an approximate diagram. Let us suppose this is our source S1 and this is source S2, and we have a listener which is moving from source S1 towards S2. It means listener is moving in this direction and the speed of the listener is given as u. So in this case, it is going away from S1 and moving towards S2. So we are going to use you can say Doppler effect equation for each source. First we are going to use it for source 1, S1 rather. In that case, that listener is moving away from S1, and then we are going to use Doppler effect equation at S2 where the listener is moving towards the S2. So let us start from the Doppler effect equation. Doppler effect of each source. So first we do it for source S1, and we say the apparent frequency for S1 from S1, and herein listener is moving away. So therefore you can write that if the apparent frequency is given as f1, so we can write our f1 is equal to f0 v minus u divided by v, and here the v minus u is nothing but the relative velocity between the source and the listener. Relative velocity of source and listener. And similarly, we can write it for apparent frequency from S2, apparent frequency from S2, and in this case listener is moving towards. Listener is moving towards the source. And let us suppose that is given as f2. So you can say our f2 is equal to f0 because both are having the same frequency. So f0 will be equal to v plus u divided by v, and here v plus u is nothing but relative velocity of source and listener. Velocity of source and listener. Now in the question, it is given that there is a beat frequency that is being heard of 10 beats per second. And the beat frequency is nothing but the difference between the two frequencies, f2 minus f1. So we can write our beat frequency, if it is given as fb, that will be equal to f2 minus f1. We substitute the equations for f1 and f2. We can write our fb will be equal to f0 v plus u divided by v minus f0 v minus u divided by v, and this gives us f0, and this comes as 2u by v. Now we simply substitute the values. We are supposed to find out here u, so we can see u will be equal to v multiplied by fp divided by u. Oh, sorry, you have to find out. Divided by 2, and we are given this is 10 multiplied by 330 divided by 2, and this gives us 2.5 meter per second. So the options that are given to us, option number C is the correct option. Option C is correct. So this completes the question. Thank you.